The IPO calendar may be heating up, but that doesn't necessarily mean these are IPOs you want to be involved with. The first is cancer genomics. Now, it's a great idea doing genomic testing for cancer. However, the company has lost money over the last 9 months. So, Francis, good company, but bad execution?
Well, yeah, they have a partnership with Mayo Clinic that they're starting up, and they've got some other strategic partners that look interesting. So on that basis, it's okay. If you look at the numbers, however, they want to come public at an $88 million market cap. And if you take out the warrant charges for the 9 months ending September, and you should, because after the IPO they won't be there, they lost $9 million. And so that's really high given their market cap. The other thing is they're coming at a price to book value of about 5, and that's high. In this business, the price to book for these kind of companies is more in the 3 range. So it's kind of a desperation play. I would watch that one from the sidelines.
And then we have another one, Orchid Island. Now, this company tried to go public last year. It's a terrible, terrible offering, and yet here they are again. They're hounded with lawsuits, and lawsuits even regarding an IPO. So why are they trying to go public once again?
Well, they're trying to go public to get some liquidity into the sponsor, which is Bimini. Bimini is an interesting disaster story. In 2005, they had a mortgage REIT that had assets of about $3.5 billion. Then the housing crunch came, and they just went under. And they have a lot less where the lawsuits come from. And Bimini, on its own, it wants to come public at a 1x book. It's a mortgage REIT, and so all the other mortgage REITs that have gone public in the last year and a half at 1x book have sold off. So why would you want that? But the other reason I don't like it, in addition to all the reasons I didn't like it last July, is that in the filing, they make a big point that Bimini is not going to be their manager, their investment manager. That sounds good, but then if you look, you can see that, however, Bimini owns the investment manager, so the investment manager is Bimini. And Bimini is just looking to a way to create some liquidity so that they can, that they can stand and have something in face of all those lawsuits. So this one's a disaster. I wouldn't even get near it.
Right. Well, I remember last year when we looked at Orchid Island, there was a lot of that happening within the offering. Companies renaming themselves to make it look like they were a different company when in fact they were just the same people with a new name. So I would agree with you. Stay away from Orchid Island and just be very cautionary on cancer genomics.